Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to craft a furniture workbench in Hytale. Now the first thing I want you to do is actually create a workbench. So for that you just press tab on your keyboard, and once you press tab on your keyboard you can see the pocket crafting section. Here you'll see workbench. Now to create a workbench you just need 4 of any tree trunks and you need 3 of any stones. So you can go ahead and get some tree trunks just by going ahead and cutting down some trees, and you can go ahead and mine some stones. Then what you do is you just go ahead and press tab on your keyboard, go to pocket crafting, come here and craft a workbench. Now once you have your workbench, I want you to press F, and then here you'll see this section right here. This is the crafting section, and here you'll see the furniture workbench. Now to go ahead and craft a furniture workbench, you need 6 of any tree trunks and 4 of any stone, and then you just click here on craft, and as you can see right here, we have crafted a furniture workbench, which I will go ahead and place right here. And it's really that easy. That is how to craft a furniture workbench in Hytale. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to the channel. It really helps me out as well.